One drone strike, and within hours, Iran sent a serious warning to Ukraine. Tehran claimed that the entire territory Ukraine is within a range of its missiles. But the biggest question is why Iran suddenly confirming Ukraine and called this tension exploding body. Ukraine and Russia let's break out its downs. On Saturday morning, Ukrainian drones repeatedly targeting Iranian cargo vessels traveling throughout the Caspian Sea. What the most surprising part of this not the drones attack itself it was a Ukrainian explanations. Kiev did not view those the vessels as ordinarily commercial ships. According to the Ukrainian claim that those ships were of this considered to supplying network the Russia and Iran cooperation and the change of this entire picture. Now the biggest question is will Iran actually respond militarily against Ukrainian because if those attack continually this is conflict called the because for more completed this is the no long just a Russia Ukraine issues. Ukraine carried out of this strike but Iran believed that the interested were targets while the vessels were reportedly linked into the Russia reportedly trade route. Reports also suggested that an Iranian citizen was killed in this indecent war. This is the not only about missiles and military power. This is also matter of this technology, intelligence, economic structure, and global influence. Ukraine sees those the operation as a way to the direct network that the support of the Russia's war the effect. Iran, however, sees as a direct change of to its security interest. The biggest question remains: it this escalation continuously will Iran enter the conflict more directly because of this any Iranian involvement world completely change the strategic question. It will not just open another front in this war. It could bring Russia's coast deeper into a conflict. This is already responsive global security. Thank you so much, everyone.